Hello everybody. Today we are going to take you through our store, which is Mira's Collections, which is at road number 2, Kukatpalli, Housing Board Colony, Hyderabad. We have been into this business of ladies garments for the past 10 years, and we deal in ready-made dresses, dress materials, nightwear, innerwear, loungewear, maternity wear. We also have leggings, kurtis, jeans, sports wear, and nighties, night dresses. And we deal in brands like Jockey, Juliet, Amante, Van Heusen, Salient, Daisy D, Blue Nixie. We also have a small section for shapewear, that is derma wear. So today in our video we are going to showcase all the different types of night dresses that we have. That is night dresses made out of lycra hosiery, pure hosiery, rayon, cotton, satin, t-shirt style, capris, shorts, t-shirts, separate t-shirts. So we start with lycra fabric right now. Now this particular night suit is made out of lycra and hosiery mixed fabric. This the t-shirt is stretchable. The bottom is also stretchable. The sizes that it comes is from medium to XXL. Next I will be showing you a full front button night dress, which is made in hosiery fabric, that is banyan cloth. This can be used for used as a regular night suit, because it has got buttons in the front, complete front open. It is also helpful in maternity wear for feeding babies. There are different companies and colors and designs. I'm just showcasing a few over here. You can get in touch with us on our mobile number, that is 9001072234, and we can say WhatsApp you the various designs and sizes, colors that we have. Next we are going to show you a rayon night suit. The top is a kurti type 3/4 hand top. The bottom is printed. This particular night suit is very comfortable because the bottom is actually cotton and the top is rayon. Very comfortable 3-button top. This comes from, again, sizes from medium to XXL. Few of the designs that I'm showing you right now, colors. We do have a lot of colors and designs available in all of these. Next, going on to completely rayon top and bottom. This particular piece is same design fabric for the top as well as bottom. This again comes for large, XL, XXL. These are the sizes. We deal in sizes starting from small to going up to 5XL, 6XL as well. So in our next video we will be sharing with you exclusive plus sizes, 3XL to 6XL. Coming back to the night suits, here is another night suit which is same fabric used for top as well as bottom, but this is in a t-shirt model. Now this is completely polka dots, top and bottom. These come in various prints and colors, so these keep changing every 45 days. So we get stock every 45 days with new prints and designs. So you can just get in touch with us and we will update you on WhatsApp, or you can surely visit our store, which is in Hyderabad. Next, I will be showcasing a satin night suit. This is completely satin fabric, which is majorly used for weddings, because post-wedding a lot of people prefer wearing satin night dresses. This again comes with a lot of designs, colors, sizes. Okay, now moving on, we go to our capri section, where the top is a t-shirt and the bottom is a capri 3/4 pant. There are a lot of companies that we deal in, like Juliet, Brightline, Long Life, Pink Lush. Now this again is from Long Life, and this is the size. You can see it is 3/4 capri. This again, here I have another design for you. There are a lot of designs. Right now I'm just showing 1 or 2 designs, but we do have around 150 designs in each style. Okay, moving on, the next we are going to is the cotton night suit section. Now this particular fabric is 100% cotton, so there will be a little bit of shrinkage in this. So the sizes that we have in this is from medium to 3XL, and the price range would be from around 285 to 575. Okay, moving on, we also deal in shorts, only shorts. These come in a lot of designs and prints. Now this particular one is nice pink in color, and these shorts are from Brightline. These come with a mask as well. Okay, and here are a few designs of the same. Okay, moving on, we have a few t-shirts as well. These are printed. We also deal in plain t-shirts depending on what you would like. Starting from the t-shirts start from around the range starts from around 185 rupees, going up to around 575 rupees. Okay, so this is a little bit of our range that we have, and we also have a lot of nightwear like nighties and maternity wear, so that we will be updating in our next videos. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button as well. And in case you need any further details, and if you have any further requirements, please do let us know. Give us a call on our mobile number, that is 9000 107 234. I repeat, 9000 107 234. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you soon at our store. Thank you.